Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Garden Channel. So today is September the 12th, 2019, and we're going to be showing you today how to transplant your red beets seedlings. Now, normally we soak our red beet seeds, but my dad was in a hurry, and we didn't soak them. This is our results. I would say maybe not even 1% came up, which is really displeasing and not happy. So we're going to be soaking our seeds from now on when we plant our red beets. And how we do that, we soak them for about 24 hours, and then we make our rows and we plant them. So we're really displeased with what came up. So we spaced our plants wide this year, or this time when we planted them. And the reason why we did that was we usually find that your red beet seeds have more than one seed. It's actually like a seed capsule, and it has more than one seed, and they're impossible to get apart. So what we do is when we plant our seeds, then we get the extras that come up beside them, like these right here. Okay, so what we're doing here is the extra red beets are out, so we make a hole with our stick, and you want to make it deep enough so that the roots go straight down. And then we just transplant the red beet into that hole, and then we push the soil around it. Now, one thing you want to make sure of is that you keep your soil nice and moist. So these are going to get watered immediately when they're done being transplanted here. You see, here's another one over here put in. You can see the little red beet there. You just put it in there and then cover it up. And you want to push it into the ground. And you want your soil nice and soft so that your red beets can continue to grow. Now, this is how we did our other red beets on the video when I showed how we peel them and harvest them. And as you can see in the other video, they got very large. And we never had an issue with transplanting ours. They always developed up real nice for us. So that's about all I can tell you on that. Some people say that they can't be transplanted, but we've been transplanting ours for probably about, what, like 5 years now. Now what you want to do when you want to take and separate them,
loosen the ground up,
is loosen the ground up and pull gently the one out that you want. And you can see the root is on the end of that one there. So then what you do, you take your stick and you want to make sure that you get your hole nice and deep, because you don't want that root to be squashed. You want it to have a nice straight growing area to be able to grow straight down. And you just firm it in around. So that's how we transplant our red beets. Now,
always take the smallest one.
You always want to take the smallest one out.
There you go.
There you go. You can see right there. And go ahead and firm your other red beet back in. That's beside it. And you want to water all of them, because you're still disturbing that one. Even though you're not taking it out, it's still being disturbed.
That's a deep root. We're going to try to go down real deep.
So because that's a deep root, we're going to go down extra deep on it to make sure that it gets in nice and straight. So there is a rare occasion where you might lose one. You want to just try and make sure that you get all the roots with it. So the best time to transplant these is right after it rains, or go ahead and water your soil first, so that way then your soil stays moister. Because when they're tender like this and you just transplant them, they're going to be very unforgiving if they would happen to dry out. So just make sure that you keep them moist, and the best thing is have your soil moist when you transplant them out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!